Are you aware as a YouTuber, people can't find your channel name? Yes. Are you aware that people are actually searching for your channel name? They want to subscribe, but they can't find your channel name. Of course, I've been there. I understand how it feels. In this video, I will be teaching you how to complete your channel settings, which will enable you have more visibility or get more discovered whenever people are searching for your name, and then also help you have more subscribers count and then more visibility. Now, either you're using laptop or you're using mobile, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can actually complete these settings and then help your channel perform better. I understand you'll be struggling to grow and your channel is just not growing and others are actually growing, and you keep asking yourself what is going wrong. Those settings I'm going to be sharing with you or showing you in this video, you get to discover that the mistake have actually been coming from you and not from the algorithm or from the YouTube itself, but from you. So I understand, which that's why I'm sharing with you on how you can actually complete or set up your channel by yourself for free. In case this is the first time you're seeing my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and let's go. You can use any browser of your choice, then come to this place and type YouTube Studio. Then go ahead and click on the YouTube Studio. So it's going to bring you to interface, just your channel interface like this. So now when it brings you to your channel interface, at your left hand side, you're going to see customization. Click on that customization and you're going to see banner. Do you see? Banner. So this banner now, you can see this image will appear across the top of your channel. That is what people get to see when they enter your channel. And if you discover that your own does not have a banner, which is an image, you can as well click on this place to make a change, which is very simple. If you don't know how to design banner, you can let me know in the comment section. I will teach you. All right. So now your channel picture, which is the profile picture, look at it here. Now your profile picture will appear where your channel is presented, so you can as well change it. Now, make sure your channel have a name. Some of you, your channel does not have a name. So you make sure you write a name that somebody can easily understand. You can see my own is Tunde's Diary. And one thing you need to know is that there's a difference between channel's name and channel's handle. Now you can see my name and my handle, both of them is matching each other. So you have to make sure that that's why some of you, they can't discover, or whenever they search your channel, they can't see it because the channel name and the handle's name is different. So make sure that your channel's name and your handle name, both of them are the same. This will enable your channel to be visible at all time whenever people search for it. Again, your description matters a lot. You can see how my description is. Now, whenever you don't know, or if you don't know what to type in your description, what you just need to do is go to ChatGPT, give ChatGPT your channel name, and then tell ChatGPT what your channel is all about, and tell it to give you a description, and it's going to give you a description that you can copy. Now you can see we have my channel. This is my channel links, which you can always copy. Maybe you want to add it to other social media platforms like your Facebook and the rest. You can copy it and go and add it. Again, YouTube also have a place whereby you can as well add a link. Okay, you can see these are links. I have Facebook, I have TikTok, and I have my email links already here. And if you have your own, maybe you want to link your Instagram, look at this place that they say add link. You go ahead and click on that add link. That place will enable you to do or to add links to your YouTube channel. Again, your contact information, I would advise you use a different email address, not the one you use in opening your channel. Use different email address. Okay, after you've done that, come to settings at your bottom left. So when you click on that settings, the first place you're going to go to is your upload default. Yes, this is very important. So when you come to your upload default, go to advanced settings. So when you come to advanced setting, you're going to see category. Now, your category is very, very important. Do not joke. Many people don't even understand what category is. What defined what your channel is all about. Your channel, for example, if your channel is into pets, sports, coaching, or anything, this is where you do it. For example, I'm into teaching. That's why I'm my own is how to. So you make sure you choose your own, right? So after you've done that, come back to channel. After you've come back to channel, you click on future eligibility. So when you click on future eligibility, make sure that all this button is enabled. You can see my own is enabled. your own have to show this green. If your own is not showing this green, it means there are some features you will not be able to use in on YouTube. For example, like thumbnails or going live or posting longer video or posting more videos in a day. So make sure you put that in order. Then come to your advanced settings and then make sure that your channel, you can see my own is no. Set this channel as not made for kid. I almost never upload content that is made for kids, meaning the kind of content I'm creating is not for children. But if your own is for children, then it is fine. But my own is not for children. Okay. So if your own, if you're creating content for children, you can select yes. But if your own is you don't create content for children, select no. Now let's go down. Okay, let's just go to basic information so that we can check our taggings. Okay. Click on basic informations. Then now your country, many of you are in Nigeria, but you go and put USA, you go and put Canada, because maybe somebody is telling you that that is what will make you earn. That is wrong. Okay, during the time of monetization you will have issues, so make sure you can click on that place and then select the country or where you are based. Like me, I'm based in Nigeria, you can see, and I select Nigeria. Now let's go to my taggings or my keywords. Now I have given my channel keywords, meaning any, like, I'm into YouTube coaching, I'm into Facebook coaching, I'm into video editing coaching. So I have to put all those keywords here so that whenever people are searching for any of these related topics, YouTube will suggest my video to them. Then after you've done this, you go ahead and click on save. Now when you click on save, the next thing you now need to do is to make sure that we publish this. So now we are going to scroll up. So scroll up. So for us to make sure that all these settings is applied to our channel, you go ahead and click on publish. You can see the publish at your top right hand side. Now, if you do this, you will discover that your channel will be more visible to audience or viewers or people who are searching for your channel. Okay. Now, for the if you are now using phone, maybe you use phone, let me show you how to check how to also do this in phone, because I said I'm going to use my laptop and then I'm going to use my phone. So now on your phone, what you need to do is just come to your channel like this and then click on that edit with pen. So it's going to bring you here. So now you're going to see that photo, click on it, then you're going to see take photo or choose from your photos. This enable you to change maybe your channel does not have photo, you can put the photo and click on save. Then the banner, look at the banner on at your top right as well. You can click on take a photo, or you choose from photo, which is meaning from your library. Okay, now look at your channel name. You can click on that channel name as well. You can see it. You can edit. Maybe you don't like the name that is there, you can edit it. Then after you have edited, then you click on save. You can always change your name within 14 days, meaning every 2 weeks YouTube allow you to change your name. Now after you see that your channel name is actually okay, you also come to your handle. You can see, you make sure you can see my name, my channel name is Tunde's Diary. Then my channel's handle also need to be Tunde's Diary, so that it can be more visible or discoverable. They can discover it. Then you click on save. Now description, just like I've said in that place, you can click on that pen in order to be able to enter your description. Then you can manually type, just like I said, you can manually type your description, or you can go to ChatGPT. You can see, you can go to ChatGPT, it will give you a description. Just give it your channel name, it will give you a description and the rest. Then after you've put all those things in order, go ahead and click on save. You can see the save at your top right hand side. Okay, so this is how you actually put your channel in order. So doing this will help you. So I discover you've not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. This will mean a lot to me, and give me a thumbs up so that this video get to reach others. All right, so in case you want me to do any video for you, maybe you are struggling or you have issues, just let me know and I will do the video for you. All right, see you in my next video, and don't forget, go to the comment section and support other YouTubers. All right, see you in my next video. Bye bye.